Back to another video, and today this is a video of me climbing Brandon Hill, which is the highest point in County Kilkenny at 515 metres or 1,690 feet. Is it near the town of Graiganamana in the kind of southeastern part of County Kilkenny near the tri-point with Carlow and Wexford. And the unique thing about it is I think this is the only county high point that used to be part of a mountain chain but isn't anymore. So essentially it used to be connected to Mount Leinster and to the Blackstairs Mountains, because you can literally see them across the river from each other on a clear day. Like, we didn't see it when we didn't see Brandon Hill from Mount Leinster when we were climbing up it, but we got to see Mount Leinster from Brandon Hill yesterday. So basically it used to be part of the Blackstairs Mountains thousands of years ago, I think. Then during some sort of a glacier move, it got transferred to it just got transferred onto the other side of the river. So I think it's one of the few cases of a standalone hill. So basically it's all flat land and then just a mountain in the middle and then flat again. And it's disconnected from the Blackstairs Mountains, and it's not part of the Blackstairs Mountains, it's just a standalone hill, and I think it's the only true mountain in County Kilkenny, as Kilkenny is a very, very flat country. I think there's a few smaller, very small kind of hills up further north near Laois, but other than that, there's basically no hills in the county. Anyway, it was a rewarding hike. It's kind of a very, very, very average one in level of hardness and kind of just, I suppose, everything. Like, the views were fairly good, nothing amazing, and easiness, it was not too bad. The only time you're kind of faced with the thing is, I'll say this later, is you kind of have two options to get to the top. You can either go quick and hard, or long and easy. So you can choose. Anyway, let's just get into it. Right, so we've just landed at the car park here, finally, here now. Journey-wise, for us it took a long time. It took about 2.5 hours to get here. Obviously, if you live in Wexford or Kilkenny, it's probably easier. No, it's a kind of an optimal day weather-wise. It's not boiling like it was for the Clare 1 mile Lussa, and it's not raining like for the other two. So it's perfect. It's a bit cloudy, but it's kind of optimal because you won't you won't be freezing and you won't be roasting. You can already see over there, you can see Mount Leinster from back in Christmas, or not Christmas, sorry, October. And this is the car park now. It's a bit small, to fit about maybe 10-15 cars maybe at max. There's a bench here for Adrian Hayden, and just a general map for the whole area. And you can see it up there, and if you can make it all up there, that little kind of dot there is the cross. There's a cross at the top, like the Galtimore. And the views already from here are, since it's fairly high up already, you can already, I think you can see the sea out there. New Ross and kind of Carlow down there as well. So, already pretty good. We'll get started.
My friend.
can see Mount Leinster over there. It's a bit foggy today. Obviously a lot better than the day we did back in October. And there's Graiguenamanagh down there, the famous town, and the Kilkenny village of Tinnahinch there. Or sorry, Carlow village of Tinnahinch there. That's Graiguenamanagh, that's Tinnahinch. And then this is all Carlow. And then this is all, I think, Kilkenny. And then I think Slieve the Man isn't too far away from here. I think it's kind of that direction. And there was a bit, when we were driving up, there was a bit of a haze and kind of a smoky smell. So as you know, while I'm filming this, there's a wildfire going on there right now because somebody, I think, just accidentally set fire to the place. So that's not great. But yeah, there was definitely a bit of a haze there. So it's somewhere up there. We might hike that another time, but yeah, so it's not too far and some very good views. So we're making our final approach towards the top of the summit. It's a bit rough, so there's kind of two options to get to the top. You can either choose the quick and hard, which is the one we chose, or the slow but easy. We just chose the quick and hard just to get it over with, but it's hard enough. It's a bit rough, but nothing that someone with a regular level of fitness could handle. So here we are at Brandon Hill, the summit, the highest point in County Kilkenny. Looking at, so this is the actual summit. Though it's a bit very, very, very windy today. Now I've sat down, so it's actually less windy. But you have great views already. So you can see down there, that is a Graiguenamanagh and Tinnahinch again. Mount Leinster over there, which we did back in October. That's kind of so overall there is Wexford. That's kind of, you can see out even the sea. That's I think that's kind of down into Gorey, and then Escarthy, and then up into Wicklow as well, further up that direction. There's a little thing there which we'll go over to see, where you can see exactly where you're going. Now this is all Carlow over here. This is Barras House, and the viaduct going that way as well. And then you can kind of see further into Kilkenny, there's Slieve the Man over there, and east that direction as well, but this is all further into Kilkenny, and into Tipperary as well. So very good views. Right, so we finally made it back to the car park. Back about 2 hours later. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.